Hello, how is everybody doing? I am back to share. I have a couple of combined Amazon little orders to share with you. Um, and they came in these huge boxes, but they're not really anything that huge. In this humongous box of Amazon, I received this Inka Dinka Doo gears. There's these gears, and let me put the box down and show you. They had these as a set, and they came with some stamps up here to use with your gear, and the gears are used to make designs. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that properly, but I haven't used it yet, but I would like to try it out to see how these designs work. And it came with 16 stamps and the gears. And I got this from Amazon, and I had seen another YouTuber show it on her channel. So I went and took a look, and I had it on my cart for a while, just kind of waiting to see if I wanted it. And I finally decided I was going to go ahead and give it a try after reading reviews and whatnot from other people. So I picked up that one from Amazon, and then in a separate shipment, good old Amazon style shipping, how they like to separate things, I got this one, and it is the round and oval set for the gears, and that one came with some of its own stamps right there, and this convenient holder like this, and then more stamps on this side over here, and those gears. So I am not exactly sure how all these work right off the bat, but I will come back and I will do like a little demonstration video on how these are used as soon as I get a grasp of it myself. I love this Inky Dinky Doo stamps. They're so adorable. I have others also in my collection now that I can use in this with this gear system. So let me go ahead and figure it out, look up ideas and whatnot, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know down below, and I will do my best to answer them with the knowledge that I have right now about them. But it did take me a little while to finally decide to order these from Amazon. So let me give it a try, and I will be back at a later time with a video showing a little demonstration of how I learned to use these and what I was able to do with them. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and thanks for stopping by, and you all have a great day. I love you all. Thanks for being a part of my channel, and for all your comments and all your posts down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.